The tree of life is more than just an ancient symbol or concept to intellectualize. The tree of life truly means the foundation that gives functionality and roots to all beings in whatever reality, plane, or dimension that they exist. But what are the instructions, and how do you develop the kind of foundations that make you and your life more functional? How do you go from intellectual concept to full-blown experiential understanding to complete integration of the teachings of this sacred tree of life? You need to develop ability. The kind of ability that enables you to move through all the obstacles that currently block you from connecting with your higher self and living your highest potential now. When you have that kind of ability streaming through your body and mind, your spiritual understanding and development accelerates beyond anything you have ever experienced before. True awakening of the sacred seed within you will blossom into the tree of life through your higher self-consciousness in this lifetime. At the Sacred Gates, we provide the exact instructions and training for this to occur through an ancient body-mind practice known as Tayshara. Through correct application of the core principles, combined with guidance from the Sacred Gates adepts and restorers of this esteemed lineage, Tayshara transforms disability into ability, dissolves detrimental thoughts and narratives that are on repeat and ruining your life. Learn how to soften the sacred gates of your body at will, and get deeply familiar with and become your higher self, and let this higher part of your consciousness take care of you. For further investigation, please visit the Sacred Gates online at www.thesacredgates.com.